Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Cara. So let's open up Cara, and first of all, let's tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. So there are two ways, and the first way is to upload your video on YouTube and then copy the link to your video and add it to Cara. So I have a copied link to my video, and now let's just paste it here. Okay, and done. As you can see, the video has been added. So we can type something here, hi for example, and tap on post after that. And now the person will be able to view it. So just tap here and done. And now let's look at the second way. So tap on plus again, and now click on the picture icon at the bottom left corner. So you can convert your video to a GIF format using an online site and then upload the GIF to Cara. But unfortunately, as I said, such video will have no sound and the quality will be much worse. And it will not work for long videos. And here I have a video GIF format, so tap on it, and now we can post it and add to portfolio. So let's tap on post, and let's see the result. And as you can see, it works. So that's all for today, guys. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe to my channel, put a like under this video, and leave your comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.